Hey there, Krisha Warren, and just completed watching your presentation on how you look when giving a speech or a presentation. I thought it was very well organized and easy to follow, so good job there. The things that really stood out to me is you want to make a good first impression. I totally agree with that. When you first walk into the room or people come in and you're coming on stage or you're in a conference room or wherever you might be, you obviously want to make a good first impression with the audience. So your attire, I definitely agree. It needs to be appropriate for the setting, and it needs to be something that's not distracting to what you're actually trying to communicate or messaging to the audience. I think the body language is also another very important component of how you look when you're presenting. Posture and kind of being engaged and having positive body language is very important. And I had never really heard of using hands up, palms up was a positive message, and then hands down you're kind of committing something negative or maybe less positive. So that was kind of a new learning for me. I do use a lot of hand gestures and such, but I can't really say I do palm up or palm down. It's usually more pointing and counting and things like that, or even using holding my hands. So and then eye contact I think is very important, because it kind of makes the audience not only listen to you and pay attention, but it kind of puts them on the spot to do so, because if I'm looking at you, you better be looking at me, and if you're looking at me, you're more than likely listening to me. So anyway, thanks again for your presentation, and I appreciate learning from you.